Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Now, today's dinner, what we're having a slow cooked recipe today. We're having a jerk chicken slow cooked, and I'm going to put it on a sweet potato, a baked sweet potato, sweet jacket potato. That's what I'm doing, guys. I've prepared all my ingredients over there. I put veg in there because I've got to get my veg in for my exercises. I've been out this morning and I feel like I could run a marathon. Well, not quite, but you know what I mean. Anyway, let me show you what we got. Okay, this is what I've got, guys. And my chicken and my jacket spuds. But we'll start off on the veg first. I got 1 red pepper, 1 yellow, all diced nice and small. 2 small onions, left them a bit chunky because they're just going to disintegrate. 1 celery stick, chopped thin, and 1 carrot, chopped thin as well. And onto my old seasonings, I've got a teaspoon of ground spice, thyme, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. I want a tablespoon of soy sauce. I've got a little pinch of nutmeg, a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and a couple of tablespoons of smoked paprika. I want about a teaspoon of honey, a little squirt of ginger, a couple of squirts of garlic, a lime. There's my jerk seasoning that I'm using. I use 2 tablespoons of that for my chicken, which I've already marinated this morning, and a bit of a lime juice squeeze. That's all we got, guys. Nice and easy. First thing I want to do, I want to get my chicken out. Well, I want to get them into my slow cooker. I haven't really got much room on the side, so I'll put them in the slow cooker now. Okay, I put them in the slow cooker. Now I'm just going to get my chicken out and I'm going to put it in a bowl and I'm going to mix everything in here because obviously I already got the seasoning in there then. Get more of that seasoning. So the longer you leave these, it would be better, but obviously that might have been in about 2 hours, I think. All I've done was season them with 2 tablespoons of jerk seasoning and a little bit of oil. I didn't use any yogurt or anything because I think it might congeal a little bit in the slow cooker. So I've just used these. This is a 1 kg chicken, these are. I think it was £6.60 or something from Aldi. And all I've done was poke some holes in each one so all the marinade goes inside. So we just put them to the side a minute, guys. While we crack on with all your seasonings. Basically, just get all your seasoning in. I've also got 1 stock cube. I'm thinking of putting about 200 ml of chicken stock in just to give it a little bit of water because I'm going to shred all that, by the way. I don't know if I said that. It's all going to be shred in the slow cooker. A couple of bits of garlic. As much garlic as you want because garlic is nice, isn't it? A little bit of ginger. Get it in. I'm using light soy sauce. Something like that. A little bit of honey. Just a drop. That'll do. Lime, knife. Squeeze a lime or lemon or whatever. I've got lime in, so I'm having lime. We're going to get that a mix, guys. I'm just going to boil the kettle and get a couple 100 ml of chicken stock. I've just put my chicken stock in there. It's supposed to give me water. I don't know. Anyway, we're going to mix this in here now. I'm going to put about 100 ml in. Just to mix it together. God. It's all going to mix together in the slow cooker anyway, so it ain't going to matter. It's all going to be like a marinade, and it's all going to be delicious. Everything's going pear-shaped, guys. I didn't press record. I've just put my chicken in on top of my veg. That's all I've done. Oh, God. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of chicken. That's how it was from Aldi, £6.50 or something it was. I'm having it on a jacket spud. I think the lads are having it in a wrap, and Nat's having it in a bowl with some wedges or something. I think that's what's happening today. So we're going to pour this in anyway. All this marinade over the top. All over the place. It's all these exercises sending me to do lally. A bit more water in there now. Not too much because I don't want it too runny. And that will do us. And I'm going to put that on high for 4 hours. And with a couple of hours left, we'll start on the spud because that's got to go in the microwave first. And I'm going to do it in the oven, by the way. Okay, guys, we've got an hour and 45 minutes left on the good old jerk. You can't believe it with the steam. Oh yes, it's looking and smelling delicious. So I'm just gonna, I've given my potato a clean. I've cut the ends off. So we're just going to poke it, guys. I'm going to get it in the microwave. I've got my oven just started, so this is going to take about 15 minutes to go soft in the marquee. Okay, guys, potatoes nice and soft now. So now we get ourselves a little cross in the top. Hot, 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 hot. Bit of oil. And obviously your garlic and your herb. You've got to have your garlic and your herb on your good old potatoes, guys. And give it all a coat. Onto a tray. And in the oven. And if it's done, I'll just wrap it in foil, that's all. Okay, guys. It's not ready yet, but what we're going to do, we're going to get the chicken out and we're going to shred it apart. It smells delicious, this does. It really does. Let's get all the chicken out. Oh, yes. Love a bit of jerk. Obviously, it's a lot better when you do it in the pan, ain't you? This is more of a healthy little bit, I think. Got all that goodness at the bottom of there. It's falling apart already, look. Put the lid on, let it keep hot, and shred away. Oh, it's falling apart delicious, guys. It's falling apart delicious. Ooh. This is going to be delicious on a jacket spud. Sweet potato spuds ain't as good as the proper spuds, are they? Especially the skin. But it's still going to be lovely and filling for me big fat belly. And we're going to get all that back in there. You want to try a bit, darling? You want to try a piece before it goes in there?
I wouldn't say no.
You wouldn't say no?
You're going to blow me head off.
Come on this side.
Have you put those chilies in?
No, I haven't put none of those chilies in. I want to use.
I was going to get some juice.
Oh, get some juice then, darling. Look, have that piece in there, look, 'cause I haven't think of that.
I don't want a massive piece yet, darling. Thank you. I'll test it.
It's spicy. Is it? It's spicy. Is that spicy?
Bloody hell, Bab.
Is it? I haven't put any peppers in.
Try it. Try it, mate.
Oh dear.
Oh, dear, mate.
Oh dear.
Water.
Oh dear.
Water. Oh.
Yeah, that's got a kick in it. It's not that hot though.
It is when you went back to go down.
Let me have another go. Yeah, it's got a kick. It isn't done yet, Bab, so I'll get it a bit thingy for you. Let's get all this in here, guys.
No, it's just put the back in the throat then.
That's got a kick. I only put half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper in. Didn't put any chilies in. Oh yes, look at this.
No, I can taste the jerk, isn't it?
2 tablespoons of jerk I use.
That's one for you.
Because for sometimes when you use one, it's not enough, is it?
Not enough, no.
So I'll put 2 in.
No, it's not natural.
That's all going to soak away anyway, babe.
Nice, but
Look at that, guys. Look at that goodness.
I just got the back of my throat then. Ooh, got sweats now.
Oh, yes. Let's get it all covered. Right, get the lid on.
Tastes delicious though.
It does taste nice, doesn't it, actually, that? There we go. Okay, guys, we're ready to dish up. I've just done the lads. There they are. Some wedgies and a couple of flatbreads. They look quite nice, actually, don't they? Oh, yes. Now, dish ours up. Sorry, guys, I think when I just showed the lads, I didn't have my mic on. Jacket spud for me. Put it in there. We'll get it cut open, guys. Let's get it cut open. Oh, yes. Can you see that? Yeah, I think you can see. No, Nat didn't want a jacket. She had a jacket spud the other day, didn't you, Bab?
Yeah,
I ain't got your mic on, darling.
No, it's all right, don't worry, just carry on with it.
I forgot. Again. Yeah. Let's open it up. Ow. Mash it all together. I'm not putting any butter on. Ooh, I'm putting pepper on though. And a little bit of salt. Some pepper. And a little bit of salt, just a little bit. And let's get some goodness out. Get the goodness on there. Ooh, yes, guys. Some juice. And there we go. Oh, this is a bit closer look. Oh, I'm looking forward to this. I'm looking forward to this. And now for Nats. She's already tasted it, said it was spicy, but I think it was because she tasted the edge. That's where all the spice was, I think. Yeah, I think that's probably what it is. That'll be enough for you, Baba. Do you want more? There's plenty in there anyway if you want some more. And some wedgies, guys. I'll do you some wedges as well. You can have a dip then, can't you? And there's Nats. Hey, that don't look half bad either. So what do you reckon, guys? I reckon it looks and smells delicious. You crack on, darling.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, yes. You can go first, actually.
Try and get you some of your teeth.
Oh, yeah. The gum still isn't healed, is it?
No.
Bless you. Bless your little cotton socks.
That's well nice. That is not as spicy as...
Not as spicy now?
No.
Because you took the edge bit,
I took the edge bit, I think, didn't I?
I think so.
That's delicious, that is, Bab, thank you.
There's some lime there, Bab. You want to have a squirt of lime on top?
Oh, no, thank you.
I might have a little squirt of lime, actually.
That's well nice. The seasonings and that. It's really nice.
Not burning your mouth now?
Not burning my mouth now, no.
All right, let me tuck in. Put my teeth back in, so... I only put my teeth in when I'm recording now, because I get on my nerves.
They're horrible.
Because I've got a lump there. I've had it for years and years. And to get rid of the lump, because it's stuck in my jaw, I've got to break my jaw, ain't I? I said no. And it starts playing up. So I only usually put them in when I'm recording, or if I'm out.
I'll be whipping mine out in a minute, do me head in.
Let's have a get some of this.
That's well nice, that is, Bab.
Oh, it smells delicious.
That chicken's so soft.
Oh.
And it's soaked to pour the flavour.
Oh, that's lovely with that sweet potato. Want to try some of this with this sweet potato? It's delicious.
No, thank you. I don't mind sweet potato when it's mashed with...
Normal.
But I'm not keen on sweet potato chips and sweet...
Oh.
jacket
Oh,
potato.
yeah. On yesterday's video, which would have been the Sunday one, I didn't even have any cake.
No?
No, didn't even have any.
And I
Still
only
in the
had,
fridge. You only had one slice, didn't you?
I only had one slice.
Didn't even have any cake. So I've got to wait till next Sunday night. I'm gutted. Absolutely gutted. I had 2 helpings of good old cheese and potato pie
Oh, that was
yesterday.
really nice, that was.
And then I didn't have anything else. Oh, I'm glad I've done this.
It is nice. That chicken soup, them
That's lovely.
spices up really well. And the chicken's nice and soft.
It's lovely, isn't it, that chicken? It was only in 3 hours altogether.
Really
But
nice.
then I left it while the potato was finishing. But it was cooked, you've seen it yourselves, with the good old shredded. Oh. You want to try that, guys?
It's not too spicy.
It's not too spicy, is it? It's got a little kick, but it's not.
No, it's not
over
over the top.
spicy.
No,
No.
it's delicious.
Championi. Championi. Ole, ole, ole. That's all I've been doing all day, watching that. It was, because it's bank holiday today, it's usually a barrow on today. I usually go every year, then I record it and live stream. Not today, because this was on and the weather's terrible.
Yeah.
So I thought we're having it. I will be going live again, guys. Just give me a couple of weeks to get me into my routine for my exercises. Because some days I'll have it and I'm in white pain after and on.
But you're doing really well.
Yeah. It's really weird. Some days, like today, absolutely bang on, perfect. But then tomorrow I could be in
Yeah, you was
bad pain, couldn't I?
You was in pain yesterday, bless you.
Not yesterday, Saturday.
Oh yes, Saturday. I'm getting all my days mixed up. Keep thinking it's Sunday today.
I had to just go out without a backpack on, didn't I? I still went out and done a bit. But
Yeah,
it really,
your legs were
I was
really
in so
hurting you, weren't
pain,
they?
weren't I?
Bless you.
I had to put loads of DP on, then that started burning my legs, didn't it? I'm a mess, you know.
Choke him in the dog out.
Right,
10 out of 10, babe. Absolutely delicious.
that's 10 out of 10 for me. That you're going to right fill me up for the day now. Guys, thank you for watching. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Tomorrow, I'm going to be having a bit of fish.
Oh yeah.
I'm having a bit of fish tomorrow. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.